my name is Chris Medina, and I am a program manager in the SAP Center of Excellence. And I also do a lot of program management across EAS. I started working here in the fall, and I was tasked with working on architectural leadership team and a number of other things. And I have a very long, extensive SAP background, and so I was asked to come and tackle the Duet Enterprise proof of concept and the preparations for Sapphire. Yeah, so BCS is kind of an interesting thing. We've learned a lot about BCS in the last 2 or 3 weeks, and that's just with my group. I know there's been tons of learnings that a lot of other people on the team have had in the last 2 months. But the BCS piece has a lot of different components, some of which work with what we're doing, some of which do not. So the challenge there is trying to find the balance where we're using BCS for Duet Enterprise, and we're supporting Duet Enterprise as a product and the scenarios and the features and the functionality that we want to advertise to the world. And then at the same time, we want to use BCS as, well, check this out and look at all this cool stuff we can do by consuming web services directly and going straight to SAP, and maybe not even using BCS necessarily to do that. So we're just consuming web services natively out of SAP using the Duet Foundation, and then, say, showing that in Silverlight, for example. So a Silverlight application stands apart. So I can take the same site, the same content that's in a Duet Enterprise driven site, and I can show, here's what it looks like in Silverlight. So another great thing that BCS can do that I'm very excited about is its ability to, it's called the BCS Sync. And so I can go into a SharePoint workspace and actually work offline. One of the new things that's one of the great new features that BCS provides. I can't say enough about this because this enables so many different scenarios that weren't possible before. And I'm thinking of an SAP-driven scenarios. So when you bring line of business applications like SAP into the SharePoint world, and I'm able to use offline capability, which BCS facilitates, the sky's the limit. I mean, we're talking about offline capabilities, a lot of the types of things that people have been clamoring for my whole career, really.